Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Canon printer driver software on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Canon printer drivers in the address bar of your browser, and then you can go to the Canon website. Now my model is 3012. So I do not have drivers for that one. Basically we use drivers for 3010, or a better way is to simply search for it in the search bar. It will show you the right drivers. All you need to do is click on download and then on open to install it. But do not use this software for installing your computer with the printer, because that's a very complicated process. I'll show you the easier process. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to Bluetooth and devices, select printers and scanners, click on add device. You'll find your printer here, click on add device and it will add the printer. That's how easy it is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.